I'm Mike Kinderleiter with Powerwash.com. We've got an extremely dirty one here for you. This grease is really thick on the concrete, so we're going to use a detergent specifically for cleaning this. First thing we may do, we're going to put a solution on top of that. We're actually going to scrub it in because the buildup is so thick. Then we're going to come back, we're going to blast with a roto nozzle. We'll probably have to hit it a couple times to get as clean as we want. When we're cleaning this, we want to use hot water. The water's going to run down, it's going to flow over here, and it's going to run right in to this runoff on the side of the property. So we're going to set up a vacuum system over there to suck that up. That'll go into our truck. So the detergent we're going to use today is going to be Green Beast. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into a pump up sprayer, because that's how we're going to apply it. So that's how you do a deep dumpster pad cleaning.